Hi, I am Abhishek Tyag from MATLAB Helper. In today's video, we will explore the working of inbuilt video labeler app in MATLAB. But first, we will see its uses.
Is mainly used for video and image sequence labeling for computer vision applications. It can be used to create data to train our system for different detection purposes. So let us dive into the main content. Start by opening MATLAB, move to App ribbon and select Video Labeler app. A new environment will pop up, and this will be the environment we will be working most of the time. Start by clicking on Import, then select Required Data, video in our case. Video will be opened in our environment with start, current, end time and a video slider to move forward or backward in the video. Start by labeling the video, click on the label on the left, enter the name and other details and click OK. You can also add sublabels and attributes wherever needed. There are two ways to proceed. Either you can use automated algorithm or can do it manually in each frames. I'll be using manually labeling for this one. Next, start by labeling another. Follow the same steps, and this time we will be using an automotive algorithm which is a point tracker. You are not limited to these, you can create your algorithm and use them. Moving forward, click automate and you will see the guide of the algorithm on the right. Select the region of interest on the frame and click on the run. Check whether the algorithm is working correctly. Click accept if you are satisfied or edit manually. Now check the working by playing the labeled video. You can export your data using a file or directly to the workspace. We will be saving into file with name train detector. Here I have written 3 scripts, one for training, detecting and testing. Start by running first one. Let us see our code. In the first line we are loading root data from the mat file. Further, we are separating label on which we want to focus using select labels. Create a folder named training data in the current folder if training data doesn't exist, to store the training images and add them to the path. Extract a subset of the ground truth dataset. Training data is a table that contains training data from the ground truth. In the next step, we are training the ACF detector and saving it into a mat file. Moving to our following object detection script, we are loading a pre-trained ACF detector, then creating a video reader and a player for visualization. Here we are initializing variable. Now we are entering into a while loop, which is a playing video and inserting label using insert object annotation function. When frames are over, the loop will end. This will release the video player at the end of our second script. Let's move on to our final script for evaluation and precision with which our detector is working. Load the ground object from a saved mat file. This dataset is different from the dataset used to train the detector. Then start isolating ground truth data by their association with the car label. Here we are creating a dataset from the ground truth. In the following few lines, we are processing the dataset to obtain detection results. We have initialized overlap and evaluating precision using evaluate detection precision. In the following line, we are calculating the miss rate using evaluate detection miss rate and store value in the plotting variables. At last, we are plotting the precision rate and miss rate. Now we'll see the working of other two scripts one by one. Start with the second. Before moving forward, take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel, as from our channel statistics we found that only 8% viewers are subscribing. Finally, the third one shows us the precision of 1, which means that our detector has worked perfectly. It's always fun to test our detector with different datasets. At last, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to learn more, take advantage of our blog on the same. The link is provided in the description. Thank you for watching this video. Do like this video if you found it helpful. If you have any queries, post them in the comments or get in touch with us. Follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Education is our future, MATLAB is our feature. Happy MATLABing!